Hi, John with Mountain Home Marketing here. Just wanted to touch base and share with you a website refresh that I just did for a customer that we kind of bumped into at Home Depot. Um, anyway, they on the left-hand side over here, you'll see that this is their old website. On the right-hand side is the new website. The side on the left has taken over 3 months to get to the point where it's still not complete, and the challenge with the site is there's a lot of links on here that basically say, this page is coming soon, or the whole purpose of this is it's a seasonal business. They're real busy during the time that this Fields of Terror, this zombie paintball hayride thing is going on, and they needed the ability for someone to buy the tickets. The main focus of this site needs to be funneling your person into saying, buy my tickets, buy my tickets, buy my tickets. So if you look on the left hand side, you'll see it's got a smaller picture there. It's not utilizing the full screen aspect of WordPress. And here's the other thing: the left side is built in JavaScript, the right side is built in WordPress. And the left side, every time you need to make a change to it, or let's say you're going to use it seasonally and change it next year or whatever, they're going to have to pay this developer $100, $200 an hour to go in and make those changes and basically hold your contract hostage. On the right hand side, we just charge $50 a month to manage a website, and what you can do on this is, having access to a WordPress site here, you can actually go in and update this site yourself, or we can do it for you just for a small fee. It's $50 an hour. So on the left hand side, you look here, and you've got a header, a logo here that kind of drops between two different areas. Same thing that happens here on ours. Let me refresh the site so you can also see some of the animation that kicks in. When the site on the right is rebuilt, you see the buy tickets shows up, and it's got a call to action that takes somebody directly to the ticket integration page. It allows them to buy immediately. And all the flyers and different things like that, these guys have done a lot of work, building flyers and different displays and stuff to get people to come in and buy. So they're only open 20 days in the entire year, and they need to really maximize this. So having somebody come into their website and to make a purchase online is going to save them time and money, and actually make them money by having all this integrated. So let's scroll down and see. Here's what does the mission require, and by the way, here's all the on the left side, you've got location rules, contact us, get ticket sponsors, and honestly, the main focus here is getting you to buy. So if you look at their, let's just go down again. So here's Zombie Paintball Hayride. So that's the main section. Here's what does the mission require. Say on this one, we're using full screen width here to maximize the width of whatever platform you're on. And when you go to the next section, you'll see the buy tickets button. So it's giving you attention to buy my tickets, buy my tickets. And on top of this, this text on the left-hand side is so small that most people can't read it. And if you take the same information and you scroll it onto a mobile device, you can't read it. Google takes a harsh look on that, because 85% of all different searches and things like that are done on a mobile. So you have to be able to read them on a mobile device. Here's what it looks like on an iPhone, for example. So you can actually read all the details on a small phone more easily. Okay, and then let's just keep going down here. So you got, what does the mission require? There it is. There's your buy tickets again. Zombie attack vehicles. Buy some more tickets. And then where and when can you shoot zombies? Buy more tickets. And then the contact information is on all the pages. And then of course we have our branding here. Website hosted by Mountain Home Marketing, and phone number and stuff. So let's go to the location page. Oh, by the way, on the top of the site here, you've got buy my tickets on every page, because that is the goal of this site. Now, if you go to location here on the left-hand side, there's no dot in the map. There's no ability to get directions. There's no really way to find out where the heck this place is. On this, all you have to do is simply, on the right side, is simply click on directions. Takes you directly to Google Maps. You type in where you're coming from, and gives you directions to this location. So having Google Maps integration set up properly is key to getting more people in your door. And at the same time, while they're here, if they haven't bought their tickets yet, they can go ahead and do so right here. So let's go over to the rules section. On the left-hand side, the rules are very hard to read, very small. Here's the rules again with a larger font set with, again, buy tickets at the bottom of this page. So if you scroll down on the left-hand side, this is what it looks like on an iPhone over there. When you scroll down over here, this is what it looks like on an iPhone over here. So it's much more easily manageable. Over here, you've got the main menu that collapses into hard to read, red on black. Smaller text and fonts. This has a little bit bolder font, so you can read that a little bit better. And again, you got buy tickets and Facebook integration, flyer integration directly on this site. So let's go ahead and make this, close that menu, close that menu. Let's make it bigger again. Excuse me. And then same thing for the FAQs page, just having something that's a little bit easier to be read. Again, there's a buy my tickets at the bottom of that page. On the contact us page, a lot of these said, hey, contact form coming soon. Here's a contact us page. So here's the information. Here's a contact us information here. Here's the information about the company, the location, the time, and the seasonal hours, which are very critical for any kind of a seasonal business, so people know when they can come in. And on top of it, to have brand recognition, their flyers and things that are out there, is this. Let me scroll down, make it a little bit smaller so you can read it. Okay, so there's your flyer that is being marketed and posted out everywhere. And let's see there, a little smaller. And then Facebook integration here. This other site does have Facebook integration too. Which is a good thing to have. So let's go back again to where we're at. And then on the top of every page here again is buy my tickets. So when you click on the buy my tickets, every page has a link to the Zombie Paintball Hayride. Select a date. Let's say I wanted to go tonight at 6 p.m. And I wanted to come down here. All I have to do is simply click on buy my tickets on Eventbrite. I choose gender admission or VIP, and let's say I want this one. I'm going to put my full price in of whatever. Let's say I've got 2 adults and 2 children. It's going to be $97.98. You hit checkout over here, and boom, you're ready to go ahead and make your purchase, get your confirmation information, take it directly to the site. So that means the site owners do not have to deal with getting people registered and then upselling them over there. Everything is sold here on the website, which will save time and money, which in some of your businesses, if you're looking at this and you're looking at some way to streamline the process, we can help you coordinate how that actually works for your business. On the left hand side, there's no place to purchase anything here unless you happen to go to the Facebook page and you do the book it now. But everything here, it's just loose and not convoluted. I mean, it's convoluted in terms of not being very user-friendly in terms of getting them to the goal of the site, which is to get them to buy tickets. So let me go back one more here. And then we'll go back to home again. And on the right-hand side, if you notice this Fields of Terror, this front logo does stay you could say active on every page, overlapping in between in all the different sections. So it's kind of keeps your brand and stuff there out in front of someone. And there you go. So I hope that helps you. If we can help you do something like this for your business, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 870-495-2800. John with Mountain Home Marketing. Look forward to helping you guys out. Have a great day.